Hello, welcome to the installation tutorial for your BIODY on Android and iOS phones. First, let's start with a reminder of how your device works. The applications paired with BIODY impedance meters require internet access for analyzing the measurements. The operation is as follows. The patient performs the measurement, and then the impedance meter sends the data via Bluetooth to a terminal. Let's now move on to the installation of your device. Part 1. Installation of our BIODY Connect application. Depending on whether you have an Android or iOS phone, go to the corresponding store, either the App Store or the Google Play Store, and open it. Click on the search bar, type BIODY Connect. And install the application. Open the BIODY Connect application. Then enter your login credentials to log in. If you haven't created your account yet, follow the account creation step. Part 2. Account creation and license activation. Here, you will learn how to create your user account and activate the software license that enables your impedance meter to function. Go to www.biodymanager.com, the online platform where you can activate your license and create your professional user account. This tutorial is conducted in English interface. The online platform will be directly set in your language. If not, you have the option to choose your language here. Create your user account. Enter the license key and device number. Find the license key and device number inside the envelope in your BIODY box. Enter the license key and device number. Do not confuse the letter O and the number 0, which is crossed out. Otherwise, your license key will be invalid. Provide the required information such as your contact details. Enter your email address and create your password. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. If you can't find the confirmation email, try checking your spam folder and other tabs. Part 3. Measurement, taking, and data transfer. In this final section, we will detail the steps for creating a patient file, taking measurements, and displaying the results. Now that your account is created, log in by entering your email and password. Check the box, "Keep my session open," to stay logged in for the next use. Before we get started, let's take a look at some optional settings. Click on the top left, then select Settings. You can change the language of the application by tapping on Language and choosing your preferred language. Next, activate Bluetooth on your BIODY device. To do this, power on your device and press the power button twice to enable Bluetooth.
Communication Bluetooth activée.
Now that Bluetooth is enabled, tap on BX3 configuration. you'll have access to a range of settings. You can adjust the volume of your device, change its language, set the time if you're in a different time zone. Lastly, you can check the status of your device. If it reads success, everything is functioning perfectly. Click on the New Patient option to create a new profile. Enter the required personal information of the patient. Make sure to enter the height accurately for precise measurements and effective monitoring. Once all the information is entered and verified, click the Save button. Finally, click on New Measurement and add the precise weight, and wait for the measurement to be taken before clicking the Synchronize Measurement button. How to take a measurement. Make sure that the electrodes of the device are moistened. Slightly moisten your right hand and right heel. This will ensure better conductivity and more accurate measurements. Turn on your device before taking the measurement. Place 2 to 3 fingers on the back electrode and place your thumb on the front electrode. Keep your back straight during the measurement. Bend your leg and lift your heel. Position the device under your malleoli. Make sure your legs are spread apart.
Don't move anymore. The measurement is going to start. The measurement is finished.
Bluetooth communication enabled.
You can now sync the measurement and see the results. When the measurement is complete, the device indicates that it is ready to pair via Bluetooth.
Bluetooth communication enabled.
You have 1 minute to proceed with the measurement. Otherwise, your measurement is saved in the device. To retrieve it, turn the device back on and
Your device contains unsynchronized measurements.
press the power button twice to reactivate Bluetooth and transmit the data.
Bluetooth communication enabled.
You should then click on the Synchronize Measurement button. Once the measurement is transferred, you can click on Display the results. You can now swipe to the left to see some results. And if you want to see more, click on the See on BIODY Manager button. Congratulations! You have unlocked the potential of your BIODY.